baphinde bathi banenkinga yokuthi there is a lot of foreign nationals that cohabit with South Africans but also enter into relationships, and as a result they find a lot of children unable to access ama-birth certificate kwa Home Affairs. So let's clarify that as the guardian of South Africa's children and the custodian of South Africa's children, nationality of the child is determined by the mother. So it's very important as women that if the child is born by a South African mother, the child is automatically a South African citizen. But if the mother is not South African, the child is also not South African. But Home Affairs recognizes the birth of the child, and when the child turns 18, the child can then apply for South Africa's citizenship using that particular paper, because we give the child the opportunity to choose which country the child wants to live in.